How do I make a successful job application as a young carer? Many young carers are unpaid for the support and care they provide to their families or friends. You might be at an age now where you're looking for your first job or looking to start working again. In this video, we will run through some quick tips to help with your applications and future career. Tip number 1. It's important to find a job that you're interested in and which works for you. You need to think of the skills which you have and find a job which best matches them. For example, if you're good with people and think you have great interpersonal skills, a job in customer services could be a great option for you. You should also think about the type of role that you are looking for. As a young carer, this job may need to work around your caring responsibilities, so make sure the job you apply to is suited to your needs. Will your job have to be part-time, full-time, an apprenticeship, or an internship? Before applying for your role, research as much as possible about the amount of time you will be expected to work. For more support in finding roles which are right for you, or more information about how to make career decisions, contact the National Career Service. Also, if you contact Job Centre Plus, there are services which offer carer leads who can support carers in their applications too. Tip number 2 is to make sure you submit a clear, professional and well-researched CV. This is something that can make you stand out for a job. A CV is usually divided into 3 different sections: your education, your work experience, and your skills and interests. One. Link the skills you write about in your CV to the skills which are needed for the job. This might mean you slightly adjust your CV for each job you apply for, and it is a great way to show you have done your research and are committed to the role. Make sure you give specific examples of how you have used your skills in real-life situations. 2. You can use your caring responsibilities as examples of skills such as time management, resilience, communication, and organisation. 3. Keep it concise. Your CV should ideally be one side of A4. 4. Keep the font, grammar, and layout professional. Make sure there are no typos, slang, or spelling mistakes in your CV. 5. Tell the truth. Do not put anything into your CV you have not done. It is important for your employer to get the real picture of you. The third tip is about how you can shine at an interview. The first thing to note is getting an interview means that your application so far has been successful. Now you must prove to them that you're ready for the role. Practicing as many interview questions in advance can be great preparation. Here are a range of interview questions you might want to prepare for. What are your greatest achievements? Describe a time when you have demonstrated effective time management. Describe a time when you have overcome a challenging situation. Tell us about a time when you have been organized. Tell us about a time when you have worked in a team. When answering these questions in an interview, the STAR technique is always a good structure to have in mind. STAR stands for situation, task, action, and results. This will present your answers in a clear and well-organized way for your potential employer. Here's a practice answer for the question, tell us a time when you have been organized. Situation. I'm currently studying for my GCSEs and I have 15 exams to prepare for, as well as managing my schoolwork, school day, and home life. Task. I'm having to be very organized to manage all these components to ensure that I can successfully pass my exams and manage myself outside of this too. Action. I have created a study timetable which organizes my time and prioritizes different tasks depending on what is due. It has really helped me stay focused. Result. I am on track to pass my exams. Another tip is to be prepared to ask your employer questions. This can show that you have researched the organisation and are interested in what it would be like to work there. A good question to ask could be, for example, What does an average day here look like? Finally, if you feel that talking about your caring situation to your employer is difficult, here are some tips. You do not have to tell your employer or potential employer about your caring responsibilities, and you have the right to your personal information. However, by telling your employer, they might be able to offer some more support, flexible working hours, and understanding if you need some time off. You can also send a carer's passport to your employer post or pre-interview, which explains the situation, or any details you feel comfortable sharing. This avoids having to speak directly to your work about it, but also lets them know your responsibilities.